Hey guys, today we're going to discuss why the market's rallying after a Donald Trump win in the election. And in our next video, we're going to talk about how to write a budget. So as you can see on this channel, we discuss a wide range of topics all around finance. My name's Nate. I'm a popular investor on eToro, and I talk about real money for real people in real situations. It's all about that's the focus, crunching the real numbers, not start this business and do that, but the real stuff. Okay, so today we're going to dig into the investing world a little bit. I've been in the stock market for over 10 years, investing now on eToro, been there over 4 years. We've seen the stock market rally significantly over the past few days over the election, especially after finding out that Donald Trump won the election. Why is that? What were some of the key factors as to why the market rallied? Well, the first big key factor is there was a quick decision. There was a quick decision. There wasn't debate about it. There wasn't this or that happening. It was a definite decision that had happened, and it didn't take a long time. The market doesn't like uncertainty, and so this is why leading up to the election we saw some volatility in the stock market last week as we approached the election, and as I was trying to figure out what's going to happen, what's going to take place. And so with that there's volatility, but because it didn't drag on wondering who's won for 5 days or a week, the volatility settled and the market rallied because a decision had been made. The second reason is because the market also knows what the plan is moving forward. So investors know, okay, Donald Trump's won. Moving forward, this is what we can expect, because in his campaigning, in the way he presented things, there's a clear plan, there were clear policies, there were things outlined that he wanted to do. And this is why we saw small caps, small public companies have a big jump, because he wants to do a lot for smaller businesses. So they jumped almost 6%, literally 6%, it was just shy yesterday. And as we go into the stock market on the second day of knowing the outcome, looks like we may see continuation of the rally. Not as big by the looks of it, but it looks like things are stabling a bit, but a continuation. So there's some of the big factors as to why we saw a rally take place. One, it was a quick decision. And two, we know the plan. We know the policies and the things that Trump's wanting to do and that the Republicans are wanting to do. And so they're two of the big reasons why we saw a rally in the stock market. Now, next video, we'll talk about how to write a budget. So if you want to see that, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, follow along, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you to those who do subscribe. If you're wanting to get started investing, drop a comment below and let me know what your goals are, what you're thinking. Remember, this isn't financial advice. I can't give you financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube, okay, or TikTok, depending where you're watching this. But we'll see you in the next video.